Hello friends, I am back with a new video. Your Shanmukh, fashion model, actor, public speaker and software. So these many hobbies I have written. Today our topic is about today we have one event. Yes friends, I think you understood and the event had come at morning. So today's topic is our Diwali event friends. Very nice rewards had came. So take friends, now I started the game. So we have got the incubator bundles also and we are getting free rolls. Okay friends, very nice. Okay friends, for every day we'll get this and very nice friends. In this we can redeem anything we'll get for one day. So redeem store, it's redeem store, we can redeem it, but I think I got something. So this is the event, actually incubator bundles, but and we are getting an nice login reward friends, and it's magic cube, very nice friends, and very rang de rangoli, our Diwali event friends. And this is Panda Pet will get, this is the event. We need to play with anybody in our friends, and you should remember you can't cancel anybody once you invited. And if you play with 4, you can play with them and log in, and these are the missions friends. If we complete all the missions, we'll get incubator watcher, and after this will potential like this in this guns, 3 gun skins, I think 4 gun skins should be, yes, 4 gun skins. In that 4 this full line is there now friends, this line should be full. అయితే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మొత్తం చెప్పేశాను కదా, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను మామూలుగా చెప్తాను. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్ జమానా ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందుకని ఇంగ్లీష్తోనే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ లైన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, ఈ లైన్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ దీంట్లో మన ఫ్రెండ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ పెడితే ఎవడన్నా, మన ఫ్రెండ్ కానీ ఎవరన్నా కానీ దీని లోపలికి రావచ్చు, మళ్ళీ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయలేం వాళ్ళని. అండ్ ఈ మిషన్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ అన్ని మిషన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయితే మనకి డైమండ్ రాయల్ వాచర్ అయితే వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ లైన్ కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. ఒక ఎన్ని మిషన్స్, 130 మిషన్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. మనకి ఇక్కడి వరకు వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇక్కడికైతే 50 మిషన్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. అయితే ఇలాగ వెళ్తూ ఉంటే లాస్ట్కి మనకి గన్ స్కిన్స్ కానీ పాండా పెట్ కానీ వస్తుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ 5 పెట్స్లో ఏదో ఒకటి ఇస్తాడు ఫ్రెండ్స్, అది మనం చేసుకోవాలి. ఇంకోటి 4 స్కిన్స్లో ఒకటి లెజెండరీ 4 స్కిన్స్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంటుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ దివాళీ ఈవెంట్. ఇంకా అయిపోయింది అనుకోకండి, ఇదిగోండి అసలైన క్యాలెండర్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ మెయిన్ క్యాలెండర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ ఇవ మన దివాళీ పార్టీకి అయితే ఇదైతే చాలా బాగుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ నైస్ ఇమోట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫన్ మేట్స్ 4th ఇమోట్. And today we got Diwali event. These are the banners, and we'll get Magic Cube on login reward and 1 versus 1. And now I will show event calendar. It's from today, October 25th to November 11th. The event is there. So this is our main. First is our lone wolf mood had opened. With that, and one event also opened where 4 legendary skins are there, and you should choose one legendary skin of these. And panda pet. In this we'll get 5 pets. In that 5 pets you can choose one pet, and you can claim one pet and 2 legendary skins. Here it's written. And Diwali hampers, this is the bad skin. It will come. I thought it is 1 diamond top up, but not. It's free. And this bundle also free, friends. And countdown, and in this we can count down to Diwali. In this we can choose anyone, like in Mako event we got you can choose Mako character or universal fragments and diamond royal watches. Like that, here also one box which had 3. One is gun crate, which is CR7 gun crate, not normal gun crate. CR7s, CR7 Chrono is Chrono Orc crate. It's very legendary, but if you take, somebody will get permanent, somebody will not get, and it's so rare. And diamond royal watcher, and our legendary surfboard. Sorry friends, for me normally. Okay friends, this is our legendary. I will choose legendary surfboard, because you also select legendary surfboard, because you can't get some if your luck is good, you can get Orc skin, CR7 Orc skin. Otherwise, if you want to complete the weapon royal, you can take weapon royal watcher. But weapon royal watcher, if your luck is very near, you can take out the gun weapon skin, means gun skin in weapon royal. And if you don't if you don't have any luck, you did not get gun skin, or you did not get the weapon royal watcher, means weapon royal watcher you have used, but your luck still it's not. If you are storing, it's good. And next we'll go to next event, and it is login reward on November 4th. Our November 4th is so friends, November 4th is, can I say it or not? Okay, I will say. On November 4th, our Diwali is coming, friends. Our official Diwali festival in our Indian festival, and it's Diwali festival, and that is the peak day of our Diwali, because it's only our original day. So it's peak day of Diwali, and we'll get Magic Cube, not for playing or anything, just login reward. I have showed before. And Diwali party will get this one on playing 60 minutes, means 1 hour. This emote, for me it's 4th emote. And I will show next one. And next one is you can take any gun crates means gun crates will be. In that gun crate, gun crates and gold watcher and craftline. If you want to play custom, you can take craftline. If you want to take permanent these skins, you can take. Otherwise, if your gold royal you want to store for next gold royal, you can store. And that's all our Diwali event. And now my Skylar is here. Okay friends, so friends, this is our event, and also directly, and this is hideouts. In events will be so like this friends. So this bundle also very nice friends, and today's video is this much, and it's very nice event friends. Really, it's very nice event. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon with your gaming love to take many updates about these events. Okay friends, thank you friends, bye. And I forget about one thing. You can understand that why Halloween event didn't come. You can ask. Okay, Halloween event is not our festival, and all we got Venom event, and now Diwali. And Halloween is for US and it is for India. Halloween is on October 22nd, but Venom event was working. So because of that, now Halloween event will be not coming. So okay friends, thank you friends, bye.